As cars keep getting smarter, safety requirements keep getting more technical. Most new cars have these. Can you see it? That's a front-facing camera, the eyes for your advanced driver assist system. Every vehicle that rolls off the assembly line that is equipped with a forward-facing camera is precisely calibrated to allow certain advanced driver assist systems to operate correctly, alerting you whenever danger is in view. But no matter how smart your car is, rocks still exist, and the potential for windshield replacement is always there. It used to be you'd find a parking lot crew, swap out your windshield, and you'd be on your way. Not anymore, because of that tiny little camera. It needs to be recalibrated correctly. This is technical stuff for trained people in a controlled environment. Because if the aiming is off, the sensors can't give proper readings. The targeting has to be precise, because a slight degree of error can result in disaster. Which is why I'm glad 5-Star Glass has professionally trained technicians that provide precise, factory-correct calibrations. That little camera makes a huge difference in your peace of mind. So, whenever a windshield is replaced, recalibrate with 5-Star Glass.